Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reveal your image after you've transferred it onto your rock with freezer paper. Okay, I started peeling this freezer paper back and I'm getting a nice transfer, and I just wanted to show you how I do that. So you have to start out kind of slow. Make sure your image went through just by peeking around the corner, and then once you get going you can just peel the paper, which comes off in layers, and the ink should transfer directly onto the rock, and you can rub the paper off in layers using your finger and wetting it with water, and then using your finger to rub the paper off that's left. So I'm pretty happy with this one. I think it could have been a little bit better. So not thrilled, but it still works pretty well. So there you have it. That's my image that I've transferred onto my rock. I'm going to take some water and I'm going to wet it. And let's see, put this under here to tip it forward. And paper comes in many layers, freezer paper as well. So I think there's like 7 layers of paper on like a regular sheet of paper that you get from for your computer and print onto. So I know it sounds like a lot, but I'm pretty sure that that's accurate, like that there are 7 layers of paper to one slice of paper. So as you see, when you wet it, more of the image comes through, and you'll be able to roll off some more of the paper from the top and get an even clearer image or brighter image that you can use to guide you as you paint the rest of your rock. See how it peels right off. Now I will say that freezer paper seems to be stronger than regular paper, and I will include a link on how to print onto freezer paper in this video description, so click the description box below and check it out. If you have any questions about that, you can let me know, but I really like this way of transferring an image, and I'll embellish this later with my own style. See, now if this was a regular piece of paper, this might be ripping, but it's not. It's freezer paper is pretty strong. And what's going to be left on the rock is just the ink and no paper. So there you have it. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.